So before moving on, I would like really to give like more seconds to this amazing API, the Widget API. So if you remember, I was confused where to display the content of my module in the previous episode. So let's suppose I cannot display it right here below the image. So how to do that? The old way is to define a new hook, register in the database, display the content right there, and all that hassle. But in the widget API, it's pretty simple as 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So I will go to the product.tpl, but before that, I would like to really inspect this section to get what name is there. So we do see that we have, let me just make this bigger. So we have product flags for that section, and I would like to define my content somewhere around here, this command. So I'll look for product flags, and there you go. So this is it. And right here, I will simply do widget. Look at that. So widget, and I will do name equals to the module name. So I need to go back here. I'll simply grab this name from here and paste it right there. Simple as that. Now, if I move back and do refresh this page, look what happened. I have the content rendered from my module exactly where I want it to be displayed. So this is really an amazing feature that widget allow us to do.